Good morning, students. Today we will study chapter 8, fraction 2, page number 102. So, in this chapter, we will study how to add fractions, how to subtract fractions, how we can multiply fractions, how we can divide the fractions. So we will study to add addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of subtraction. So, first question we are going to solve here, which is question number 1a. So, first question is 2 by 5 plus 1 by 10. So, this 2 by 5 plus 1 by 10, how we will add? So, first basic thing, the first, as we are doing earlier in the last chapter, we are doing, means suppose we have to arrange the fractions in ascending order or descending order. What we are doing at the time, we are finding the LCM, and we are making the numerator parts same whenever we are making the denominator part same. Whenever we are making the denominator part same, it means we can easily compare that which fraction is bigger one or which is the smaller one. We can easily compare whenever we are making the denominator part same. By taking the LCM, we can perform that. So same thing we will do here also. We will take the LCM. So we will take the LCM of here 5 and 10 first. So first of all, we take the LCM of 5 and 10. So we just take the 5 and 10's LCM. So we can divide by 2, no, 3, no, by 3, no, 4 also, no, by 5. Okay, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Further is possible? No. So it means the LCM will be 5 into 2. So what is the LCM? So LCM we have now 10. The LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. Now next step, same type of step we will do as we are doing when we are arranging the fraction in the ascending order और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. अभी हम लोग सेम करेंगे जैसा हम लोग पहले करते थे. जब हम लोग असेंडिंग ऑर्डर और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में हमें अरेंज करना था तो क्या करते थे, एलसीएम निकालते थे पहले. उसके बाद उस एलसीएम से हम लोग क्या करते थे, सबके डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड करते थे. जितने टाइम्स में डिवाइड होता था उतने से दोनों पार्ट को, न्यूमरेटर्स को और डिनोमिनेटर्स को, दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करते थे. और हम लोग क्या करते थे, जिससे हमारा फ्रैक्शन का डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट सेम हो जाता था, जिससे हम लोग इजीली कंपेयर करते थे. द सेम थिंग वी विल डू हियर आल्सो. सो नाउ वी विल राइट दिस 2 by 5 equals to this 2 I will write, and here is the 5. now here write the multiply. ठीक है, 2 by 5 लिखेंगे इक्वल्स 2 by 5 और बड़ा सा बीच में लाइन डालेंगे और मल्टीप्लाई. अभी क्या करना है, इस 5 से आप इस जो भी आपका एलसीएम आया है, एलसीएम क्या आया हुआ है 10. 5 से इस 10 को डिवाइड करोगे, कितने टाइम्स में आप डिवाइड कर पाओगे, इन हाउ मेनी टाइम्स यू कैन डिवाइड, मीन्स 2 टाइम्स में क्वोशेंट कितना होगा 2. तो अभी आपका क्वोशेंट जितना आपका जो भी क्वोशेंट आएगा उस क्वोशेंट से इसको भी मल्टीप्लाई कराना है और इसको भी, मीन्स न्यूमरेटर पार्ट्स को भी सेम क्वोशेंट से मल्टीप्लाई कराना है और डिनोमिनेटर्स को भी. तो अभी हमने मल्टीप्लाई कराया तो अभी क्या हो जाएगा, 2 2 जा 4 और 5 2 जा 10. तो अभी हम 5 2 जा 10, सी एर 4 by 10. okay, now first work is over. now second is that what is the second fraction, 1 by 10. तो अभी हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे, सेम आई विल राइट हियर 1 by 10. so this 1 by 10 I can write like this, 1 by 10, here is multiply. now this 10, अभी इस 10 से यहाँ पे जो आपका 10 है, इस 10 से भी हम लोग डिवाइड करेंगे किसको, जो भी हमारा एलसीएम आया था. हमेशा एलसीएम को डिवाइड करना है किससे, न्यूमरेटर से. हर फ्रैक्शन के जो भी डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट होंगे, ठीक है, हर फ्रैक्शन के डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट से आपको डिवाइड करना है एलसीएम को. तो डिनोमिनेटर यहाँ पे क्या है 10 है, तो 10 से डिवाइड करेंगे 10 को कितने टाइम्स में, 1 टाइम. सो राइट हियर 1 एंड हियर आल्सो राइट 1. सो 1 into 1 1, 10 into 1 10. सो नाउ 1 by 10. अभी आप देखो, जब हम लोगों ने इसको मल्टीप्लाई करा दिया डिनोमिनेटर्स को, अभी आप देखो डिनोमिनेटर्स और न्यूमरेटर्स दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कराने के बाद आप यू कैन सी हियर सबका डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो गया ना दोनों फ्रैक्शन का. जब आपका डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट सेम हो जाए देन इट इज़ वेरी इजी टू कंपेयर, आल्सो टू ऐड, टू सबट्रैक्ट. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप, आपको अगला स्टेप क्या करना है. आपका क्वेश्चन क्या दिया हुआ था, 2/5 plus 1/10, that we will write here. Question I will write here, 2/5 plus 1/10. Now next step क्या करना है, 2/5 के बदले हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे, 4/10. अभी 2/5 के जगह पे हम लोग यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं 4/10, बिकॉज सेम है वो. ना 1/10, इसके बदले 1/10 ही लिखेंगे जो आया हमारा. सो नाउ यू कैन राइट 1/10. नाउ यू कैन सी हियर both denominator parts is same. In the, you can see both the denominator part are same. Now next is that, अभी आप जैसे ये दोनों इक्वल हो गया ना, अभी क्या करेंगे, एक ऐसा बड़ा सा लाइन डालेंगे, ठीक है. और यहाँ पे आप देखो, यहाँ भी 10 है और यहाँ भी 10 है, ठीक है. इस दोनों 10 के बदले हम लोग एक 10 लिख देंगे यहाँ पे, क्योंकि दो 10 है, दोनों कॉमन है. उस दोनों 10 के बदले एक 10 आप लिख देंगे. यहाँ पे जो भी आएगा डिनोमिनेटर्स, आपका जो भी नंबर होगा उन सभी नंबर्स के बदले एक नंबर यहाँ पे हम लोग लिखेंगे. गॉट इट. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज दैट वी विल राइट द सेम न्यूमरेटर्स. अभी आप न्यूमरेटर्स में देखो क्या क्या है, यहाँ पे 4 है, इस सेम 4 लिख देंगे. इसके बाद क्या है, प्लस, सो राइट प्लस. इसके बाद फिर क्या है, 1, सो राइट हियर 1. गॉट इट. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप, you can see this 4 plus 1, we will add this 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 you will get 5, so write here 5. now अभी डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट्स में कितना बचा हुआ है, 10, so this is 5/10 is our answer. but we know that this 5/10 is not in the simplest form. simplest form means उसको तब तक हम लोग डिवाइड करेंगे न्यूमरेटर्स और डिनोमिनेटर्स को कि फर्दर डिवीजन पॉसिबल नहीं हो, मीन्स कॉमन फैक्टर सिर्फ 1 हो. So now we can divide it, 5 1 are 5, 5 2 are 10. So it means what is the answer, 1/2. So when you will add 2/5 plus 1/10, you will get 1/2. So answer is 1/2. Got it. What we have done, we take the LCM and LCM, और इस हमेशा इस 5 से डिवाइड करा LCM को, जितने टाइम्स में डिवाइड हुआ उससे उसको मल्टीप्लाई किया दोनों को विथ न्यूमरेटर्स एंड डिनोमिनेटर्स. इसके बाद आपने देखा यहाँ पे, यू कैन सी हियर दोनों फ्रैक्शन का डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट सेम हो गया. देन आफ्टर वी कैन ऐड इट इजली एंड वी गेट द आंसर. गॉट इट. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट हियर वी विल सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर जी. ओके. 3/5 plus 7/10 plus 1/2. लेट्स सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर जी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 जी. So here 1 G. Question is 3/5 plus 7/10 plus 1/2. Okay. So now here also don't worry, here is 3 fractions are there. So don't worry, what we will do, we will take the LCM first. What we will do, we will find the LCM first. So LCM of 5, 10 and 2. So we will find the LCM of 5, 10 and 2. So first of LCM we can divide by 2, which is not, 5 is not divided, so write the same. It will be 5 times, it will be 1 time. So now again we can divide by 5, 1 time, 1 time, and it is 1. So LCM is 2 into 5. So what is the LCM? LCM we have 10. What is the LCM? 10. Now we will write the fraction 1 by 1. Okay, so let's write the LCM, this fraction. So we can write 3/5. So write 3/5 this line. And now this 5, what is the LCM? 10. So this 5 you can divide. LCM क्या है? 10 है. उस 10 को 5 से डिवाइड करेंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमारा डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट्स में 5 है. 5 how many time? 2 time. So write here 2 and here also write 2. 3 2 are 6, 5 2 are 10. Okay. Next fraction 7/10. So 7/10. So we can write 7/10. And now we can divide LCM. What is the LCM? 10. So 10 divided by 10, we can divide by this 10. So 1 time only. So 1 time so it will be 7 1 ja 7, 10 1 ja 10, so 7 by 10. Next fraction we have 1 by 2, so right here 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 multiply, so you can divide this you can first you divide, LCM is 10, so you can divide by 2 this 2, so how many times you can divide 10 by 2? 5 times, so right here 5, here also 5, so you will get 1 5 ja 5 and 2 5 ja 10, so 5 by 10, so we get 6 by 10, 7 by 10 and 5 by 10. Now we can write the fraction again. So what is the question? 6 by 10 plus 3 by 5 plus 7 by 10 plus 1 by 2. So in the place of 3 by 5 what we get? 6 by 10, so right here 6 by 10, and here 7 by 10, same we got 7 by 10, okay, and next 5 by 10 plus 5 by 10. Now next step we have, so we can write this, you can see अभी आप देखो सबका डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट सेम है, 10 10 10 है, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, एक सिंगल 10 लिख देंगे यहाँ पे, ओके. नाउ दिस आई विल राइट द दिस न्यूमिनेटर पार्ट्स आई विल राइट ऑल द सेम, 6 प्लस 7 प्लस 5, ऊपर वाला जितना है सबको लिख देना है 6 प्लस 7 प्लस 5. नाउ यू कैन ऐड 6 प्लस 7 प्लस 5, you can add, so you will get 18, so you can write here 18, okay. Now there is 10, so now 18 by 10. Now next what you can do, you can divide, you can write in the simplest form, so 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10, so what you will get here, you will get here 9 by 5, so 9 by 5 it is in the improper fraction, so you can write in the mix also, so you can divide by 5, so 5 1 ja 5, so how many times, here is 4, so you can write here this, you can write 1 4 5, because this is your answer, okay. You can see how we have solved. Yeah, so we find the LCM, and after finding the LCM we divided the LCM by the numerators of each fractions, and then after we get the all this fraction with the same denominators, and then after we have added, and now here make the simplest form, and then after write the in the mixed fraction. Got it? Okay. Now next question we will solve. So let's see the next question we have here we will solve number K, okay. So number K, question number 1, K, 5 by 14 plus 9 by 19 by 21 plus 47 by 84. So same method we will do. First we find the LCM of 14, 21 and 84. So let's find the LCM, 14, 21 and 84, the LCM. So we can divide by 2, 7 times 21, here is 42. Again also we can divide by 3, so 7 is same, so 7 times here is 14. Now here also we can divide by 7, so 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14. Now we can find the LCM, so 2 into 3 into 7 into 2, so 2 3 ja 6 6 into 7, 47 into 2, 84. So what is the LCM? 84. So this 84 is the, we got the LCM 84. Now one by one we will write the fraction. So this next step we will write the fraction. So 5 by 14 equals to, so 5 by 14. Now this 14 by this 14 you can divide this 84, this 84 you can divide how many times? You can divide it, so you can divide it for the 6th time, so you can write here 630 by 84, because 5 6 are 30. Now next fraction is 19 by 21, next fraction is 19 by 21, so now 19 by 21, Now you can divide 84 by 21 how many times? 4 times. Okay, so 4 times. अब 84 हमारा एलसीएम आया है, एलसीएम को 21 से डिवाइड करेंगे कितने टाइम्स में? 4 टाइम्स में होगा. सो 19 4 जा 76 by 21 into 4 84. Okay, next fraction is 47 by 84. 47 by 84. So write 47 by 84. So you can write here. So 84 how many times? Sorry, here is one time only. So 47 into 1 by 84 into 1. So you will get 47 by 84. So now you can see all these fractions having the same denominators, 84 84. Now 84, now we can add it easily. So we will write the first question. So what was the question? 15 by 14, sorry, 5 by 14 plus 19 by 21 plus 47 by 84. Now next step we will write the same. So for this, in the place of 5 by 14 we can write 30 by 84 plus 76 by 84 plus 47 by 84. Now you can see, अभी आप देखो सबका डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, 84 84 84. So now next step we can write the single one. So here I write 84. अब न्यूमरेटर पार्ट्स में जितना है सबको लिख दो, 30 प्लस 76 प्लस 47. Got it? Now you can add 36. Sorry, you can add 30 plus 76 plus 47. After adding you will get 153. और नीचे कितना था डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट्स में? 84. So 153 by 84. Also you can make it simple. So you can divide it also. So by 3 you can divide. It is 28 and here is 51. Because the rule of 3 is sum of the digits divisible by 3. So now here I get 51 by 28. Now this is in the improper fraction. So we can change to the mix. So you can divide it also. So 51 you can divide by 28. 1 time 28. So you will get here 23. So you can write here 1. This quotient part right here. What is the quotient? 1. And remainder is 23. So write here remainder on the numerator parts, and same you write the denominators, which is 28. So your answer is 1 and 23 by 28. Got it? Okay, so this is your answer. So only basic thing, you have to find the LCM, then after make the denominator same and solve. Now next is that question number 2, subtract. Now what we have to do? Subtraction. So here I am going to solve question number B. Same like addition, only there is a only we have to subtract. So let's see how we will solve. Number 2, B. 7 by 8 minus 5 by 12. So first of all we will find the LCM. What we will find? First of all we will get the LCM. So LCM of 8 and 12 we will find, same method. So LCM of 8 and 12. So LCM of 8 12, 2 we can divide 4 times, 6 times. Again we can divide 2 times and 3 times. Now it is not possible. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So it is 24. So what is the LCM? 24. Now we will write the fraction. So first fraction is 7 by 8. So this 7 by 8 you can write here. So this by this 8 we can divide 24. So how many time? 3 time. इसको 3 times में divide कर सकते हैं. So 7 3 is 21 by 24. Now next fraction we have. Next fraction is 5 by 12. Next fraction is 5 by 12. So we can write 5 by 12. So now how many times we can divide? 2 times 24. So it will be 10 by 24. So you can see in the both fractions we have the same denominators, 24 and 24. Now we will write the question here. So what is that? 7 by 8 minus 5 by 12. Now in the place of this 7 by 8 we can write 21 by 24 minus 10 by 24. Okay. Now next step अभी आप देखो नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या करना, जो सेम जैसा एडिशन में करते थे वैसे ही करेंगे। यहाँ भी 24 है, यहाँ भी 24 है, सो नाउ हियर आई राइट हियर ओनली 24। नाउ अभी अब न्यूमरेटर पार्ट्स में देखो क्या क्या है, हियर इज 21 एंड 10, सो हम लोग वही सेम लिखेंगे यहाँ पे भी, दैट वी राइट 21 माइनस 10। सो नाउ अभी क्या करेंगे, इस दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, 21 माइनस 10, सो 21 माइनस 10 you will get 11 by 24. It is already in the simplest form, so that's the answer. So same method as we are doing in addition, same method we will follow here. Find the LCM. After finding LCM, we make the same denominators of all the fractions. Then after, here is we will do here the subtraction operation and we can find. So this is your answer. Now next question we will do here number H. Okay, question number 2, number H. So this 9 by 10 minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 2. So first of all, we will find the LCM of all these given fractions. So LCM of this denominators of all the fraction 10, 5 and 2. So we can divide by 2. So 5, here will be 5, here will be 1. So by 5, 1, 1 and 1. So 2 into 5. So what is the LCM? LCM we are having. Now we get the LCM 10. Now one by one we will write the fraction. So first fraction is 9 by 10. Okay, so first fraction we will write here 9 by 10. So 9 by 10. So what is the LCM? 10. So divide by 10. So one time only. So 9 by 10. Okay, now second fraction we have 1 by 5. So 5. So 5 से 10 को divide करेंगे, LCM 10 है. So how many times? 2 times. So 10. Okay, now next fraction we have 1 by 2. Okay, so we can write here 2. So if you divide 10 by 2, how many times you can divide? 5 times. So 5 times. So 5 by 10. So you can see these all three fractions have the same denominators, 10 here also and here also 10. Now we will write the question and solve. So what is the question? 9 by 10 minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 2. Now next step, in the place of 9 by 10, what we get? Same value, 9 by 10. See here, 9 by 10, then 2 by 10 and 5 by 10. So we can write here 2 by 10 and here 5 by 10. Now you can see this denominator, all the denominators are same. It means हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? We can write the same. Now in the numerator parts you can see what are that? 9. So 9 minus 2 minus 5. Now here is the very important one which you have to see. First अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पहले इस दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो आप. 9 minus 2 कितना हो जाएगा? That is 5. So write here 5. Sorry, 9 minus 2 it is your 7. So write 7. अभी फिर क्या हो गया, अभी आप देखो ये वाला पार्ट बच गया तो उसको सेम आप वैसे ही लिख दो -5. ठीक है, अभी इस दोनों को सेपरेट करके हमने लिखा 7. उसके बाद वहाँ पे बच गया इधर में हेयर वाज -5. सो सेम यू राइट -5 और नीचे कितना था डिनोमिनेटर्स में 10. ठीक है, अभी एक बार और हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे इसको. सो नाउ यू कैन सी 7 minus 5, you can see here 7 minus 5 is your 2. So write here 2 और डिनोमिनेटर्स में कितना बचा? 10. So write here 10. Got it? Now this is, but now you can write also in the simplest form. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, here is 2 1s are 2 and here is 5. So you can write here what is the final answer? 1 by 5. Understood? See how we have solved. First we find the LCM, then after we make the denominators equal, then after here we write the all the values and first we subtract these two, then after remaining one we subtracted, write in the simplest form and that's the answer. Okay, now here is the next question. One more question I will do from question number 2. Okay, J. 11 by 15 minus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 3. let's solve this question number J. So question number 2 J. 11 by 15 minus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 3. So first of all we will take the LCM of 15, 5 and 3. So just find the LCM of these all. So LCM we will take. So that is the 15, 5 and 3. So by 3 5s are 15, 5 and here is 1. So now by the 5 1 and here is 1. So what is the LCM? 3 into 5. So 3 into 5. So LCM is we have the LCM 15. Now we got the LCM 15. Now one by one we will make these fractions. Their denominators we will make the equal same. So 11 by 15. So we can write 11 by 15. Now this 15 divided by 15 because LCM is 15. So we can divide by one time. So 11 by 15. Okay. So first we have. Now second. What is the second? 2 by 5. So we can write 2 by 5. So now 15 how many times? 3 times we can divide. So 6 by 15. Okay. Now next third one 1 by 3. So 1 by 3. So right here 1 by 3. So you can by what is the LCM? 15. So by 3 you can divide 15 how many times? 5 times. So right here 5 and also here 5. So it will be 5 by 15. So you can see we have these fractions and all having the same denominators 15 15. Now we will write the question. What is the question? 11 by 15 minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Now in the place of 11 by 15 what we got? Same 11 by 15. You can check 11 by 15, then 6 by 15, then 5 by 15. So you can write here. Next is 6 by 15 and next is 5 by 15. Now you can see they all have the same denominators. So we can write the one same. So write here 15. Now here 11 minus 6 minus 5. So write 11 minus 6 minus 5. All these values we have written 11 minus 6 minus 5. Okay. Now next we will solve these two first. So 11 minus 6. So 11 minus 6 you will get 5. Now here is the remaining minus 5. So that you write here minus 5. And what is the denominator part? 15. Now you can see next step 5 minus 5. So 5 minus 5 is your 0 and there is 15. So 0 divided 15 we know that any number if you divide 0 by any number you will get 0. So the answer is 0. Got it? See that how we have solved. Okay.